Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to convert an image of a water splash to a realistic water splash. I have this can image and a water splash. First, go to the Layer panel, right-click on Splash Layer, and choose Select Pixels. Then go to the Edit menu and copy it or press Ctrl+C. Add a solid color adjustment layer. Use white color and hit OK. Now hold the Alt button and click on the masked layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+V for paste in place. Then press Ctrl+I to invert. Press Ctrl+D for deselect. Select the original splash layer and hide this. Select the top layer and press Ctrl+J for the layer via copy. Select both, right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Adjust its size as per your choice. If you want to highlight this more, press Ctrl+J. And adjust its opacity. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.